So today, I'm going to share with you the most effective MT4 indicator. It is absolutely all-in-one indicator. You can do this in day trading, also used as swing trading, as trend trading. And this indicator will give you the best result time frame of 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So let's see how to use it. As you can see here, there was a very strong downtrend in the market some time back. And after doing a little correction here, the signal of sell has been created here back in the market. All the indicators have turned red. In such a situation, we can execute our trade with confidence. And we will set your stop loss just above the current candle. Never set target of profit. We will book our profit after seeing the market condition. So we have got very good profit in the market, and here you can see all the indicators are back in green color. The market may correction a bit here again. So here we will book our profit of the trade. So let's see here. The market is already on a downtrend, and after making a small correction here and created a sell signal, we will execute our trade. And all the indicators have been created here in red color. Here the stop loss will be set at the high of the current candle. So we have got very good profit in the market, and here you can see all the indicators are back in green color. The market may correction a bit here again. So here we will book our profit of the trade. You can trade as many times as these signals are created in the market. So this indicator would be a perfect choice. If you are a beginner trader, you just have to keep watching the market to see the signal of the indicators. You will not need to do any kind of extra analysis in the market. I have just shown you a small result of this indicator. When you use this indicator, then you will be able to see its proper great result. You can see now, buy scenario has been created in the market. The market is currently trading above the Heikin-Ashi indicator. Here we can execute our trade with very small stop loss. So here you can see, we have got Heikin-Ashi indicator red color, so here we will book our profit. If you use indicator, then just keep one thing in mind. Never overtrade. And the most important thing is I give my indicator only and only to my subscribers. All you have to do is subscribe my YouTube channel. Indicator for free. I hope you must have liked this trading strategy. If you get to learn something new on our channel, then do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.